Hey guys, Chance Trades here. Just trying to go over the trade we went through today, which is Uber. Breaking it down. First time making a video, so I might be stuttering a bit. Not that I'm shy, but it just takes a little effort to make a video and try not to stutter. Anyways, the reason we took the trade was, as you can see on my Discord server, it was right here. We got a sweep at, I believe, 11:21 for Uber 31 call, which is the strike price, just in case like we have some new options traders here. We got at 11:21 for a $245,000 position near the ask, and the bot was able to detect that it's a possible opening position. So you can see that we entered here at 11:41 for 226, and the Uber call was later sold at 321 for 3.67 for a gain of 62%. And the group was pretty happy about that. As you can see here, we had our group, we did a poll for people that ended the day, and we only had 3 people that lost today, and 21 members profited. We have some winning trades over here. We also got into Tesla for 80%, but the fact that Tesla is kind of like a meme stock, I didn't really want to go into the technicals, but we did trade that. As you can see, Shiny over here made some pretty good money. We had people, making money off JD, BA, and Visa. This was a leap call that was alerted. Anyways, back to the Uber trade. Yeah, so this is the sweep platform. But back to the Uber trade. It was entered at 226, left at 367. These prices are all times 100, as some of you may know. Options are 100 shares. So it's actually $226, bought for and sold at $367 for a gain of 62% in just around 4 hours. And that's why trading options is what I prefer, because the profits come way quicker than trading the underlying security itself. Back to the charts, we have the multiple time frames. This is my trading setup. I also have 2 other screens that I trade on, but for recording purposes, I have this up. So we have the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and the daily chart here. I wanted to pull up these as well because you could see there wasn't really a technical formation. Well, there is, but later on in the day, and also in a further out time frame. But on the 1 minute, 5 minute, you just see it going on a downtrend. We do get our sweep at around 11:21, I said, so it was around here, around 28.78. The trade was entered at around 11:40, which was right here. And then we saw it go up a little, and we're like, okay, this is going the right direction. It comes back down, but that was also due to the fact that there was some news, I believe, or SPY coming down. We weren't too worried because our stop loss was right underneath this support level, which is the resistance that goes all the way back to March, April, and May, which was a breakout, a cup and handle breakout, I think from the March drop. So usually when you have something like this, the resistance usually turns into support. As you can see over here in June, it bounces off as well, and then today it bounces off again. When you see something like this for the daily chart, the support or resistance, whatever it might be, it usually has some sort of strong backing compared to support or resistance on a lower time frame. Usually the dailies, or even 4 hour, 1 hours, they provide more of a confirmation rather than something that is intraday. So we get into the trade, it does come down, retests that level, then it shoots right back up, and as you can see, we have some volume coming in, rising volume, as we make these moves up. So that's confirmation. And I always say that news usually comes after technical analysis. Like we've seen that on Target, the Target trade that we went into. We've seen that in Tesla. We've seen that in Roku. So we enter this trade, retest his the support level. We weren't that afraid. Comes right back up, and the reason that we didn't swing the trade is because of the market fluctuations lately. Doesn't give us a good risk reward to actually swing the trade. So we got out around the top right here, but around the top right there, we do see here we do see a technical formation, which is a you could call it a pennant or whatever. Some might see it as a flag. I really just see it as a pennant, and here would be the breakout of the pennant, which moves us up a little more. But with this pennant formation, we are bullish going into tomorrow, as it was able to hold above the 8 EMA. But this was technically the breakdown, and all of these levels were drawn previously. The 3160, 3166. The reason that level is there is because it was a previous our previous support level, which now turned into resistance. So that would be our first price target. Our second price target is I would say is around 3250, which is around here, just because we want to give it a little more wiggle room. This is the trend line going down for the daily, but you don't want to give it, you don't want to be too aggressive with that price target. I mean, if you were to say for it to go, it will go to possibly 33, 36, but when you're trading options, you want to make sure you secure that profit, and that's why we alerted the move out. And obviously, if you wanted to, you could swing it, but and also the fact that the expiration date is so far out, you do have a little wiggle room to play with. But trying to pad out the account a little more due to the fact that I lost some money playing SPY puts. Although they were profitable, the next day when I swung it, it went ape shit on me. So just want to keep it profitable. Anyways, this is it for the Uber trade, and I'll start doing a little more of this more often, just so I can break down the trades. It's not gonna be crazy how you call it, fancy like other YouTube channels, but it's just something I'm trying to get started with. Obviously, I got to work on the stuttering, as you can hear it, but this is what I'm trying to do to help out the group. So have a good night.